Good morning, everybody. This is Shadira Amin, class 7 from Chokoria Korok Vidyapit. First, I would like to thank my esteemed teacher, Mr. Akramul Haqos. That's why I've got the ability to speak on stage and here. Greetings and congrats on this special day to all the venerated viewers. Welcome to my second presentation. Today, I'm going to present about the liberation war of Bangladesh. Now, I'm starting my speech here in front of you. We know that the terms man and freedom are integrated with each other very deeply. They are so integrated that they can better be compared only to the two flowers bloomed in the same petal on the same branch of a tree. Now let's move on. The next part is about man's birthright. Freedom is the birthright of man. No man has any right to snatch away this right. But it was our bad luck. We had to suffer under the shackles to slavery for long 190 years under the British colonial rule and about 25 years under the barbaric domination of the Pakistani rulers. Then we had to groan under the untold pangs and atrocities of these two autocratic rulers. Then the next portion is about causes of liberation war. Many are the cause of liberation war of Bangladesh. The British colonial rule ended up in 1947 with the birth of two independent states called India and Pakistan. Bangladesh became a province of Pakistan. The Pakistani rulers began to treat the Bengali with the very cruel attitude of a stepmother. A sky-high disparity was created by them in the different spheres of national life. These were made simultaneously in political, economic, social and cultural spheres. This deprivation and exploitation of the Pakistani rulers created serious grievances and resentments among the Bengali. As a result, at one time they lost the limits of their patience and rose up and revolted against them. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared 6-point Magna Carta in 1966. It proved to be a death blow to the Pakistani rulers. Then the next portion is about declaration of war. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman rode up like a lion and made a clarion call to the people to stand up and fight to liberate Bangladesh from the grip of the Pakistani brutal. This declaration was made on the 7th March 1971 in the racecourse ground before an overwhelming crowd. He declared in a thundering like, "This time's struggle is for independence, this time's struggle is for freedom." This result was that he was arrested and taken the prisoner to West Pakistan. The Pakistani occupation forces fell upon the Bengali on the night of 25 March 1971 and started committing genocide barbarously. In this way, the whole nation got plunged into a darkness of serious uncertainty. Then the next segment is about 1971 killing of Bengali intellectuals. During the 9-month duration of the war, the Pakistani army, with the assistance of local collaborators, systematically executed an estimated 991 teachers, 13 journalists, 49 physicians, 42 lawyers, and 16 writers, artists, and engineers. However, in memory of the persons who were killed, 14 December is observed in Bangladesh as Shohid Buddhijibee Dibosh. Notable intellectuals who were killed from the time period of 25 March to 16 December 1971 in different parts of the country include Dhaka University professors Govinda Chandra Dev, philosophy, Moniz Chaudhary, Bangla literature, Abul Khair, history, Rashidul Hassan, English literature, Shahidullah Kaisar, journalist, Altaf Mahmud, musician, etc. Then the next part is about sectors of the liberation war. During the Bangladesh War of Independence, the Bangladesh forces were divided in the geographical area of Bangladesh into 11 divisions designated as sectors. Then the next part is about ultimate victory. There goes the well-known proverb, "God helps those who help themselves." Independence thus never comes themselves to it. It is a fruit that must be earned also duly rose to the occasion, and God helped them as He is committing to doing. Our liberation forces got more furious and fought more valiantly and made the occupation forces corner in all sectors from all sides. There was only one slogan in the lip of every freedom fighter, "We are in, war just to defend only one flower." Again, there was another popular slogan in everybody sleep. Your address and my address are the address of the Padda, the Meghna and the Jamuna. At last came down our long-expected victory at cost of more than 3 million people. The Pakistani occupation forces surrendered to the Allied forces at the racecourse ground of 16 December 1971. Thus, a new and free nation was born on the world map. The people were wild with joy and excitement and danced in the streets. The sky and the air were ringing with the patriotic song of Tagore. My Bangla of gold, I love you. We shall never forget those who achieved independence for a sea of blood. Now we are going to the last part of this presentation. We all pray to Almighty Allah to have blessed us with giving the greatest achievement of our life, which is independence. Let us take an oath to build up our shattered Bangla as a Bengal of gold. That's all for me. I hope you are enjoying our presentation.